In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable your camera on Google Meet. This is a straightforward guide, especially useful if for any reason you need or prefer to join a meeting without showing your video. Let's dive in and see how you can turn off your camera before or during a Google Meet session. First things first, you'll need to navigate over to Google Meet. Simply type meet.google.com into your browser's address bar and press enter. Once you're on the Google Meet homepage, you'll notice a few options for starting or joining a meeting. For our purposes today, we're going to start a new meeting. Look for the New Meeting button, which should be fairly prominent on your screen. Clicking it will reveal a couple of options for how you would like to proceed with your meeting. You're going to select Start an Instant Meeting. This option immediately launches a new meeting, creating a fresh space for you to invite participants. It's ideal for impromptu or quick check-in meetings. After clicking Start an Instant Meeting, you'll find yourself in the newly created meeting room. Now to the crux of today's tutorial, turning off your camera. Once you're in the meeting, glance at the bottom of your Google Meet window. You'll see a toolbar with several controls, one of which is the camera icon. This icon is typically located towards the center of the toolbar and is very straightforward to recognize. It looks just like a video camera. To disable your camera, simply click on this camera icon. Upon clicking, the icon will change to indicate that the camera is off, usually with a slash through the camera symbol. This action turns off your camera feed to the meeting, meaning participants will no longer be able to see your video. However, you'll still be able to see them unless they also have their cameras turned off. Remember, disabling your camera doesn't mute your microphone. So if you wish to prevent any sound from your side during the meeting, you'll have to mute yourself separately by clicking on the microphone icon, usually found next to the camera icon. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to turn off your camera on Google Meet. Remember, you can always turn your camera back on at any time during the meeting by clicking the camera icon again. This flexibility allows you to manage your video feed according to your comfort and requirements throughout the meeting. This skill can be particularly handy in a variety of situations. Whether you're experiencing technical difficulties with your webcam located in a setting that's not ideal for video, or simply prefer to have a voice-only participation. I hope this guide has been helpful for you. By following these steps, you can easily control your privacy and participation level in any Google Meet meeting. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to sharing more tips and tricks with you in future videos.